If you looking for the quality convection microwave ovens, there is a very good threat that you with inside the marketplace for a better microwave that could do extra than reheat closing night's dinner. Convection microwave ovens can frequently update conventional microwaves way to functions like air frying, crisping, or even grilling. But don't overlook that the inner capability will dictate what dishes or plates your microwave can accommodate. If you after an equipment that could cope with even extra styles of food, recollect a microwave and toaster oven blend to store time making ready food. Here is the 5 best convection microwave oven 2022. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. Here is the number 1, Convection Convection Microwave Oven. Reduce your cooking time by using the Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Air fryer food with up to 85% less oil than traditional deep-fried foods, making for a simpler cooking experience. Choose the preset that's best for you without needing to set a temperature. Pick from toast, bagel, pizza, bake, roast, air fry, broil, cookies, rotisserie, dehydrate, ferment, or select warm to keep your food ready to serve. Cook for 5 to 7 people with the 32-quart/30-liter air fryer toaster oven, which can fit a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread. Cook using recipes and videos straight from the Convection kitchen. Number 2, Panasonic Convection Microwave Oven. It's a countertop microwave, broiler, air fryer, and convection oven all in one. Use each function alone or combined for delicious meals every time. Quickly circulates hot air around food, producing crispy, brown results, no preheat required. Make French fries, nuggets, and more healthier and delicious. Use convection bake function up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, with or without preheat, for baking and roasting. Genius sensor cook, turbo defrost, and other dedicated settings for easier cooking. Number 3, NuWave Bravo Convection Microwave Oven. Want hotter temperature or need to cook it longer? Simply adjust on the fly anytime. Fine-tune time and temperature anytime in the cooking process. Bravo's intuitive digital controls are easy to operate. Set cook temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. Customize the top, bottom heaters and convection fan independently for true surround cooking. Once the desired doneness temperature is set, Bravo constantly monitors the internal temperature of your food. With 4 rack positions and multi-purpose racks, multi-layer cooking is more convenient than ever before. Number 4, Cuisinart Convection Microwave Oven. Reduce your cooking time by using the Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Use the convection fan for fast and even cooking, especially if you like crispy results. This function is perfect for a rotisserie chicken. Want hotter temperature or need to cook it longer? Simply adjust on the fly anytime. Fine-tune time and temperature anytime in the cooking process. Brushed stainless with embossed Cuisinart logo and dark tinted glass window. Touchpad controls with LCD, 2 convenient defrost functions to defrost food by weight or time, convection bake or roast with and without microwave function. 9 preset options, plus grill function. Defrost by weight or time, reversible grill rack. Number 5, Toshiba Countertop Microwave Oven. One microwave with multi-functions of microwave, air fry, convection, grill, combo, low temp, odor removal, defrost can fulfill more usages. Enjoy your wholesome fried food with original taste but less fat with healthy air fry. 12.4-inch removable turntable can fit a whole roasted chicken, 12-inch pizza and 8x4-inch casserole. Classic black stainless steel finishes with easy-to-clean stainless steel interior. One-touch popcorn, position memory turntable, speedy cooking, multi-stage cooking, clock and kitchen timer, mute function. Thank you for watching this video.